Now I'm going to show you a neat little feature in Explorer where we can actually zoom in and increase the sizes of the page. What we do is, if you have a scrolling mouse, in other words with a wheel in the middle, you would just hit the control button, and as you're hitting the control button, you just scroll either up or down, and that will either increase or decrease the size of the page. So basically you're zooming in and out, and it works great if you come to a page and you want to view any kind of images or a video of some kind. If you zoom out or zoom in and you want to get your web page back to a normal view, you would just hit Control and the number 0, and you'll see that automatically your web page will come back to a normal view. Now, if you don't have a mouse with a scroll wheel in the middle, what you could do is just hit Control and plus or minus. The plus will obviously zoom in and the minus will zoom out. And the Control 0 works the same by putting the web page back to its normal view. So it's Control plus or Control minus to zoom in and out, and then Control 0 puts the web page back to the normal view. Anytime we open up a new window or tab, it's going to keep the same increased or decreased size that we originally set it to. So we may not want that. We may only want to have viewed the original page in a larger size, but every other page we want to open up in its normal view. So if we go to Internet Options, we go to Tools, Internet Options, and then hit the Advanced tab, we'll see under Accessibility we have a setting that says Reset Text Size to Medium for new windows and tabs. So we can go ahead and turn that on, and now every time we open up a new window, it will open up to its normal size.